Hey guys, Dragon signing in here, and this is my third video. So I just thought, why not we have a nice nature walk, as you can see in front of you. Nice old good woods, right? Um, for anyone that's knowing it's Friday, don't know when you'll be watching this. It could be Saturday, Sunday, who knows? But I just thought we'd go for a nice little walk, and I got views. I've had 3 views on my first video. I think they're all from my friend, and I got a view on my second video, and I don't know who that was from yet. But if you are the person that watched my second video, I have another video, and yeah, you can watch this video. And I guess I'll start off with the question, which if you're new to my channel, or if you're becoming new to my channel, I do a question or a trivia question in each of my videos, if I can remember to. So, if you could be any animal, if you could transform into any animal, like you had a human form and animal form, like kind of like werewolf, if you had an animal form and a human form, which animal would you turn to? Like an eagle, or a buffalo, or whatever. But just, like you extra animal, like a were-buffalo or a were-wolf and all that. Like you would turn into a wolf, literally. Like you could turn back anytime you want. Sorry, allergies. Kind of, it sounds a little weird. Allergies are kind of bad right now. And yeah, I thought I'd show you where we camp sometimes during the year. It's a nice little place. Nice little place. It is very comfy. Not really. It's actually not comfy at all. Actually, my friend Dylan, you know how he goes. I just have you seen him. We were down here one time, and we were sleeping in this a van. They took out the seats and had a lay down, and I think we had a lamp or something like that. It was like a lamp, like electronic lamp, and we were going down there, and it was like nighttime. It was around maybe like 10 or 11, 9 even. I can't remember. I think it was during the summer. Well, no. Yeah. It was last year, during summer. School was still open. Or school was still... I don't know. All I know is and we were down here. We were all down here. It was around 9, 10, somewhere around there. It was nighttime. And, we were in the van, and we turned around, and right by us was a tree, and that tree didn't move or anything, but it looked like it had a face, like a tree face, like I don't know if you guys, I don't know how many play games, like some trees have like this weird like face looking to them. This one looked like it had an actual face, like eyes, eyebrows, mouth. Kind of like a beard looking thing, like a goatee, so like a pointed beard, and it was weird. It freaked us out. It freaked us out. Fucked us out. I don't know. It was scary. I'll just say that. We're here on the campsite. Yeah. So, apparently not as this looking condition. It's seen better days. We haven't gone down here in a while to camp. Mostly because it's just been kind of too cold, and haven't really thought about it going out here to camp. Yeah. This was originally like a Boy Scouts ground, that, my aunt and uncle own. They own these acres, and this is where the Boy Scouts sometimes camp, and yeah. It's a nice little campground. I mean, it's not the best, but it's nice. It's kind of nice when you make your own little stuff, your own little fire pit. Yeah, a little fire pit here if you can see. Don't worry, the leaves, like, pretend the leaves weren't there and there's just dirt. And, you know, we put wood in there and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, how everyone doing today? Until we get to the field, I vomit. Jeez. Words. Work. But how is everyone doing today? Having a good day? Having a bad day? Am I able to cheer you up? Are other YouTubers cheering you up? I hope they are. If they aren't, well, I feel bad for you, honestly. I mean, I know I go home every day. Yeah, every day. And I always have YouTube to look forward to. Whether it's doing my job, where I'm watching other YouTubers, which I'm doing both. Hey, you gotta do something. But, yeah. I know someone's gonna cheer you up. But if anyone questions why I wear gloves, lately I've kind of gone to this, like, I don't really like having just a hand that's just like, well, I like having hands, but I like a blank hand, just like, imagine your hand and nothing on it. The glove kind of gives it, like, more of a I guess you could say cosmetic touch in a way. Just gives it more of a, what's the word for it? More decorative in a way? I can't think of the word right now. Makes it look more noticeable in a way. Doesn't look so blank. I can't think of the word for it. I don't know smartness. No, he tripped over dang tree something. Dang trees are out to get us all, I'm telling you. Out to get us all. We're just waiting for that one moment when we're all just, you know, I went too far. Shit. Not friendly, kid friendly. Yeah. Went too far. God, dude. Hell. I could pass through there, but yeah, that's not happening. We're gonna walk down this way then. Woohoo! But yeah, I will be doing a speak series for anyone that knows about it. I will be doing that. It's just I want to find a good time where I can actually get that atmosphere feeling for I get atmosphere feeling if you are watching. And I don't edit at all, really. I just put the name into things and record and that's it. So, if you have questions why, you know, it doesn't look better, I'm doing it on the phone, first of all. And it's just how it is. Yeah. We're only on 8 minutes. Wow. It feels like so much longer. I'm just looking like, I never noticed that these were like red with white tips, or that red thing over there. Let's go see what it is. Yeah, I got doing good. Yeah, yeah. Not racist. Just saying. That's it. Scissor Tail Energy, LLC. Capano? Or is that just company summarized or like abbreviated? If it is Spanish and anyone knows, tell me. If it's not, then everyone in the comments down below. If it's not, and if it's not an abbreviation, actually, if it's an abbreviation, and it's just, you know, not Mexican, because to me it looks Mexican, but if it is not Mexican, it's just abbreviation. Everyone in the comments down below, what would you be, and also what would we transform into, and also I'm a racist. Exactly. Here we are. The correct. Oh, is this okay? The great old field valley of the plains of Oklahoma. Over here. Also, apparently, would anyone like to know a little backstory about my family history? Because that's all I had to talk about until something gives them. So, the Mongol family, that's their name, that's what I was saying, Mongol. Now everyone can kill me, everyone can find me in the phone book, track my number down and kill me. How about that? Is that enough trust? So, the Mongol family name originated in France. It was in Europe. City or country or somewhere that's hard to be, like Bergeron or something like that. Somewhere weird, I'll tell you that much. It is very hard to hit a gate back one arm. Hard. But yeah, my family had an impressive seat. The impressive family, as I said, my impressive family held a family seat. Yeah, so I am descendant of the king. Or not. Oh, I know this could be this. Yeah, that's right. Video and I'm dead and there's two videos to begin, I know I'm just dead. That's about it. I'll keep doing YouTube as long as I have the will to. And that will's pretty strong. It's kind of fun. I thought YouTube was a little hard, but it's actually quite fun. I look scared. But I think I'll end this video here. Me and Dylan should be doing another video tomorrow or Sunday. And I might be doing this series tonight. Who knows? You never know. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, why not drop a like. If you want to see more content, subscribe. I guess this is it. This is Dragon. Sign out. See y'all guys later.